Hello. Today I will discuss about single linked list. Myself Dr. Anwesha Mukherjee. In my previous class I have discussed about linked list, what are the different types of linked list, advantages and applications of linked list. So now I will discuss on single linked list. So these are my contents. Now what is a single or singly linked list? A single linked list is a linked list that contains nodes with a data field and next field pointing to the next node. So what will be the structure of a single linked list? What is the structure of a node in a single linked list? It will contain data and pointer to the next node. So I have defined a structure here as that it will contain data. Here I have considered integer type data and struct st pointer next and is pointed to the next node. Okay, so now to create a list, here I have used a crtlist function. The return type of the function is node pointer because after creating a list I have to return the it has to return the head node to the function that calling this function. Okay, so at first the users will be asked to enter the number of nodes, and then if for the first time the list is getting created, so what to do, the starting node will be created, so that is noted by start. Or if there is a node or more than one nodes in the list, then the node will be created and that will be append at the next node of the last node of the previous list. Okay, so p next is denoting that node and then p will be p next. Okay, after creating the node, what we have to take from the user? Data that the node will contain. So after that it will ask the user to enter the data, and the next will be the next of the last node will be set to null. Okay, and after creating the list, the starting node will be returned to the function calling this crtlist function. To display a list, we have to start from the first node and then until we reach the reach null, the content of this of each node will be displayed. Okay, so which is noted by the dis function. So to insert a new node, three cases are possible: at the end, at the middle, or at the first. So if at the end the node will be node will be inserted, suppose a node that will contain the value 14 will be inserted, then the I have to find out the last node, and the next node will be of the last node will be this one new node, and the next of this new node will be null. Okay, so if within the nodes one node has to be inserted, then the node after which it has to insert, it have to find out that, and the next of that node will be this new node, and the next of this new node will be the next node of the previous one. Okay, if at the first the new node is inserted, then that will be the new head, and the previous head will be the next node of this new node. Okay, if we have to delete a node, we have to find out the node, we have to ask the user enter the data that contained by that node. Then if it is at the end, then the previous node of the same node will the next of the previous node will be set to null, and if it is within the middle within this nodes, then we have to find out that, and the next of the previous node will be next node, the next node of this new node to be deleted will be the next node of the previous node. And if at the first node has to be deleted, then the next node of the first node will be the new head, and in each of this case, after deleting the node will be deleted and the memory allotted to this node will be free. So the outline of my next lecture will be on circular linked list, where I will discuss the create, update and display of circular linked list. Okay, so thank you. So these are my email IDs. If you have any query, you can mail me.